Why are you trying to be serious already? Let yourself get it out. I could beat you at a straight face contest any day.
You could.
My face just goes numb. Like, I feel like I have the worst straight face ever. I feel like we have to do that thing from High School Musical. What do they do? Okay. We ready?
Yep.
Oh.
Unique New York. Unique New York.
What is that? What does that help with?
Anchorman.
Oh, never seen it.
Ellisa is first.
Is that what this setup is like? An Anchorman? Yeah.
I'm annoyed.
I've never seen it.
She's never seen Anchorman.
Oh boy.
Why are you looking at that camera? Is that your...
Because this one's also on. It's like the.
Should I look at this one?
This doesn't count. This laughing doesn't count.
No, this doesn't count.
No,
This part
you
doesn't
start.
count. This is how we get it out. Can
Yeah.
we get it out? Okay, we're good.
We're good.
My eyes are crying. Hold on. Okay, wait, before we start though.
Yes.
I'm being serious.
Uh-huh.
Did you hear about the kidnapping? Did you hear about the kidnapping?
I didn't.
Dang it. Does that count? Do I have to restart? I have to choose another? Okay. Did you hear about the kidnapping? Still no?
I didn't hear about the kidnapping.
Oh, I'm laughing. I need some new jokes.
It's going to take a little while.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, no.
We can go from the
No.
From the top with a straight face. Ready? You have to answer my question one more time.
Okay.
Did you hear about the kidnapping?
I didn't hear about the kidnapping.
It's fine. He woke up.
It's fine what?
It's fine. He woke up.
The kidnapping.
Oh, smiling is too hard. We have to be able to smile.
Yeah, we can smile. We can smile.
Yeah, you can smile. Here.
Oh, just no.
You can for sure smize as well.
So, no dice there.
No dice.
Oh man, this is hard.
What time did the man go to the dentist?
Tooth o'clock.
Tooth hurdy.
I was so close.
You were.
Oh, that's a good one. How do lawyers say goodbye?
How?
We'll be suing ya. Oh, I laughed at my own joke. Is that laughing?
Just because you don't show your teeth doesn't mean it's not laughing. You go, it doesn't count. It doesn't count.
It
It
doesn't.
doesn't count.
What counts as laughing? The deep.
When you laugh,
No. Okay, go. I can't believe I laughed at my own joke.
why did the coffee file a police report?
Why?
It got mugged. Continue, ma'am.
Once I got a neck brace,
Okay.
I never looked back. The jokes aren't even what's funny, it's your face.
That was good.
Whenever you want to smile, you just go. Your face changes so rapidly.
That's what you do.
You're like looking completely normal, and then
It's Chris is training me on that. He's like, no more puppies, and then I have to go.
I'm definitely losing right now. You're gonna make it to the final round. You are the Steph Curry.
Did you just call me Steph Curry?
Did I say his name right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
That's such a compliment. Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you gonna laugh at your own joke too? Because some reason it's more funny.
Summer's here.
Really?
I get so excited to wet my plants.
Mm-mm.
She says.
Mm-mm. I didn't do anything. I coughed.
Oh, you had a cough. It's fine. You didn't seem to have a phlegm at all this morning.
I did.
Interesting.
Why don't eggs tell jokes?
They'd crack.
Each other up. It's a good one.
But
How'd you know that? Hey, Tyler, why are you watching? Where'd you come from?
I like your hat, sir.
Oh, I thought that was a joke. Oh, not that it's bad. It's great.
What do you call an elephant that doesn't matter? An irrelevant.
I hate the silence in the background. It makes me want to laugh.
Me too. And this
Just so that there's noise.
screen recording of a video game that's playing on the TV also is just a little bit of a distraction.
Someone stole my mood ring. I really don't know how I feel about that. You either?
I would be mad.
Wow, your nose just really sucked in when you did that. Oh, I laughed. Shoot me.
I love how when you start to laugh, you go, oh, I laughed. Oh, no, retract.
It helps. Okay. I don't know what is up with me and the teeth thing. It's gonna make for some really ugly shots.
Have you ever played Zip Bong? Yep. Bong. You haven't played it?
No. Have you ever played pterodactyl?
Pterodactyl. Did you just make that up? Have you ever played Puppy?
No, we played that at leadership camp when I was in middle school.
I think it's the same thing.
Everyone have to pass it on to each other.
Yeah.
Pterodactyl.
Bong. So if you're in a circle,
Yeah,
it
you
goes
pass it to
zip
someone.
and then bong, but you can't laugh because then you show your teeth. That's the whole
Yeah.
thing. Is if you
I think that's why I do this.
Bong. Yeah. Bong.
I don't like how you say bong.
Bong.
Ew, I don't like that. Why do you go?
Bong. I was trying to make a funny joke about like Nate and Matt, but
With the zip bong?
no,
Oh,
inappropriately.
which joke?
I don't know. I was trying to make it up in my head, but apparently I'm just not funny.
Oh, I couldn't think of a joke either.
I decided to sell my vacuum. It was collecting dust. That's what she said.
Whoa, I really got all of myself.
I'm biting my lips so hard.
Whoa, that's what she said. I'm sorry. Oh, I even cramped my neck. That was too good. Oh no! They just keep coming.